We have an exciting day lined up for you today. We have over 2,000 folks in attendance and over 35 speakers. You know, we opened up the registration to this event not too long ago, and we had over 1,000 signups in the first 2 weeks alone. As a comparison, the DevOps Enterprise Summit, which started in 2015, had over 700 participants for its first event. This is just incredible for the first ever community-led DataOps conference. It shows us how much we want to learn, how much we want to share, and how much we want to implement DataOps in our own organizations. And who do we have present with us? Well, I had a look at the list of registrants and their titles, and this virtual room is filled, it's just packed with data engineers, data scientists, data analysts, data architects, platform engineers. We even have several dozen CTOs and CDOs. And I kid you not, one of us here is a lead detective. Together, we are creating DataOps in our daily work and by collaborating in conferences like this. You've already made this a huge success. Thank you. And again, welcome. As we were putting this event together, we called a few of our friends in the DataOps industry to share their stories and their creations. And boy, were we blown away by all the enthusiasm that they showed. Today, I want to recognize these leading DataOps companies who have joined forces to make this event possible. We have DataOps.live, Okera, AWS, Fivetran, Immuta, Soda.io, Starburst, DataRobot, and the Eckerson Group. These companies are solving important pieces of the puzzle, from data integration, governance, to providing you a data processing platform. We are absolutely thrilled to be collaborating with them, and I encourage all of you to check out the solutions that they have created, which is going to help you bring DataOps into your own businesses. Today is a day for sharing and for learning. And as with many new practices, we learn best by looking over the shoulder of others to see what they were doing to solve a particular problem. And by collaborating with each other and sharing ideas and lessons learned. And I'm certain that today's agenda will map directly to the challenges that you are facing and you want to learn more about. To start off, we have some of the world's biggest and most advanced data-driven companies, such as Adobe, Cox, MasterCard, and 8451, Kroger. They will be sharing their stories from the trenches on using DataOps practices to do everything from improving the health of your data applications to scaling data pipelines and migrating your workloads from on-premises to the cloud. Then creators of popular open source projects such as Apache Superset, Airflow, Great Expectations, and Data Hub will be presenting their DataOps solutions as well. You do not want to miss this one. Then Gartner will be moderating a roundtable of chief data officers from Credit Suisse, Equifax, Ceridian, and Alpha Credit to speak about their data teams, their data culture, and the challenges that they have faced as leaders of these organizations. And there's more. Wayne Eckerson from Eckerson Group will then host a panel of founders and creators of Starburst, Data Kitchen, Immuta, Astronomer, and myself from Unravel to talk about the adoption and the use cases of DataOps. And then we have Microsoft's Vice President of Data and AI, Priya, who will share her thoughts on why a data-led digital transformation is important and how you can do it efficiently on Microsoft Azure. And then AWS's Principal Solution Architect, Angelo, will share best practices on how to run data pipelines cost-effectively on AWS. As you can see, this is a great place to start learning everything about DataOps. There's a lot of great speakers for all the areas that you may be interested in. So please plan your day by checking out the agenda on dataopsunleashed.com. I didn't sleep much last night. Okay, I didn't sleep much for the entire week. I was just very excited about how this amazing community is coming together today to share their stories about the need for data ops and how they're practicing data ops in their own organizations. My favorite quote is from US Congresswoman Shirley Chisholm, who was the first African American to run for president in 1972, before many of us were born. And she said, "You don't make progress by standing on the sidelines, whimpering and complaining. You make progress by implementing ideas." The data ops enthusiast community today embodies the spirit of this quote perfectly, I think. We are here to share, we are here to learn, and we are here to improve the data world through data ops. So let's unleash data ops together.